Welcome to your guided meditation for physical relaxation. Using stillness, our breath, and anatomical awareness as we journey through the body, the intention of our time together here is to look for a calming sensation of easiness within the body and mind. I invite you to begin by finding a comfortable position that requires as little use of your body's muscles as possible. This might mean you are laying on your back with pillows for support, or perhaps you are comforted by a soft chair or couch. Once you have selected the shape your body will take, allow the eyes to soften. With your attention focused inwards, reflect on if there is any opportunity for an adjustment that would bring a deeper sense of comfort. Make those changes, and then begin to dial into stillness. With eyes closed or softened and the body still, we begin to focus on longer breaths in and out. Start by observing how many seconds your inhales last for, and then notice the duration of every exhale. If and when you feel safe to do so, shift your breath to the nasal passage and observe how the breath begins to lengthen. Breathing in and out here with a full focus for a few moments. Look for opportunities to draw out or extend the length of your breath. With your connection to this more mindful breathing, we start our journey through the body. We begin at the very top, where I invite you to notice your head. Observe if there is contact with any surface. Notice if there is tension in the jaw. Recognize the space between the brows. Now begin to imagine each breath you take as coming to these areas. The inhales open up space, and the exhales gently release tension. Moving next into the shoulders and arms. Let your fingers soften, completely release into the upper back, and feel your breath flowing through this area. Envision breath entering through your fingertips, flowing its way to your shoulders. And as you exhale, the breath moves its way back down, flushing out any tightness or tension. From here, we begin to notice our chest, stomach, and back. As you breathe in and out here in this focused area, feel the mid-body inflate and deflate much like a balloon. Dialing into every subtle sensation that results, invite a few rounds of very focused breath. Finally, we come into the hips, legs, and feet. Much like we did in the arms, I invite you to welcome air in through your toes. Welcome it up your legs and into your hips. And when you are ready to breathe out, flush any tension and tightness away with you, down and through the legs. For our 5 final breaths together in this meditation, I invite you to allow them to freely flow over you. Perhaps like a warm breeze passing by, your breath gently brushes over your body. Begin to reconnect with external sensation as you feel this breath coming and going. Gently releasing the focus on your breath, welcoming your internal softness to fill the space around you. Namaste.